Hi, good evening, everyone. Today we have Dr. M.U. Mansoori from the Venkateshwara College of Nursing, Sai Tirupati University. A very good evening, sir, and very warm regards from the team of College Dunia and the students.
Very good evening. Good evening.
So, how are you, sir?
Fine.
That's great. Sir, I would like you to let us know a brief about yourself. I would like the students would like to know.
Myself, Dr. M.U. Mansoori, Mustafa U. Mansoori, working as a dean in the Sai Tirupati University, Udaipur. I have passed the 30 years in the nursing field. And then during my 30 years, I have worked as a government employee in the nursing various college of the government of Gujarat and various schools of the government, also the university. And I have having the experience of our National Union 10 Nurses Association of Union. And also I have worked for the 2 terms as a president of Gujarat Nursing Council in the Gujarat. So I have worked a lot for that, and on the 38 March 19, I have got the retirement from the government of Gujarat, and after 6 months I have joined my duty. So I have started my re-innings in the Venkateshwara College of Nursing, Sai Tirupati, located at the Udaipur. Yes, sir.
Yes. That's a very great thing, sir. Many congratulations for the second innings.
Thank you, sir.
That's something not most people do that after their retirement. So,
sir.
What brought you back to the education sector? What are the factors that keep you connected with this?
Sir, I have maximally passed my maximum duty in the education sector because of the Trained Nurses Association of India, and I have also worked for the policy maker in the state government of Gujarat. Also, I have worked for the starting the new establishment of the new colleges and the school. And I work on the government has posted me for the officer on special duty for the 3 years in the government of Gujarat also. So I started the minimum 16 schools and the college behalf of the government of Gujarat. Ji, sir.
That's a very great thing, sir, because you have worked a lot for the education sector. Many thanks.
Ji,
many thanks for that.
Yes,
so
sir.
Being the Dean of Venkateshwara College of Nursing, what is the philosophy of leadership? How do you describe your leadership style?
Yes, sir. Being a leader, some specific vision. First of all, I need a specific vision and the sharing of the responsibility. So I have passed at least 1.5 years in the Venkateshwara College of the Nursing, Sai Tirupati. And during that, but due to the effect of the corona, I didn't got my goal, whatever I decided to start in the Sai Tirupati University. Actually, we need to start the extracurricular activity also, and the actually curricular activity, having the seminar and symposium and all things. But we didn't do in the last this year due to the corona. And maximum student are. We have the specific responsibility. Being a leader, I plan for the vision also. I have the vision to have the specific strong education, and the education may be connected with the maximum the practical area. Because we have also the hospital, 830-bedded hospital in our Sai Tirupati University. So I have started to match with the education and the practical, with the theory and the practical area. This is the most important nowadays. We have the specific deficiency in this our area. But I have started, but due to this corona, I didn't found this specific vision or going to be the goal. So it's specific, our goal should be the same for the each and every team member. So I started this. Yes, sir.
That's a very great thing, sir. Starting basically indulging both education, the theoretical and the
Yes,
part. That's a very great thing.
जी
So the
सर.
education system in India and the foreign countries are structured very differently. So in your experience,
जी जी.
what can an inbound student gain from studying here in your college? Because it's more of a global competition now. The students have to be better on the global standards instead of just the country standards.
As far as the global competition is concerned, our student in the India, specific the state territory, they have got the admission in the specific regional language. It is our lacking point, we can say. Due to this regional language, they have passed their 3 years, the 4 year, the training program. During the training, they can get the specific sufficient knowledge. And whatever I had told that the practical and matching of the practical and theory portion, they didn't have. So what happened in our student is not able to pass or the passing or the getting the carriage in their foreign examination, specific the NCLEX examination, IELTS, and so due to that the regional language, and our student also facing the problem of the English, and all over the world they have the specific medium of the English. So that's why they have to work for the many years after passing the BSc nursing program or the GNM program. They have to work for 3 or 4 weeks. They have to wait also for the 3-4 years, and they have to start they have to attend the coaching, and then they go good. So if we start our educational program in the medium of the English, it is easy for the student to they will get their future in the bright way.
I agree with you on that, sir, because global competition is something we are facing we are lagging behind due to language, and that's a very good thing that teaching nursing students instead of local language, teaching them in English is a better way, and that they can get a lot by joining.
Yes sir.
So, what do you think your roles and responsibilities are to the college and the students?
We have to stick to be rules and regulation, but we have the plan. As far as the private university is concerned, they are maximum relaxed in their rules and regulation. They are not going to force out the student for the education due to the rules and regulation. Because of this, they are if they have the specific fear, they are not getting the student in the future. This is the main problem. They are not going to support, just like the university of the government. Government is ready because the government is maximally giving the free education to the student, and maximum for the female, and 90 to 80% female students are getting entering in this profession. So this is the main issue nowadays we can suffering from in the private, and government is not going to start new education also.
Right,
yes,
so I completely agree with that. Sir, what do you think should be the institutes or the colleges' top priority in the upcoming 10 years?
In 10 years, yes, they have to start. The first is they have to start. They have to withdraw from the regional language, and also the Indian Nursing Council and the State Nursing House are supposed to give the force to that institution. So, within a short time, I think INC going to be terminated. The central government have a plan, and INC going to be Indian Nursing Council is going to be terminated, and they are going to have the NNMC, National Medical Nursing and Medical Commission. So already they have given the draft on the November 2020. And just in the budget of the Nirmala Sitaram has all told that for the passing of the act in the NNMC, just like the NMC, National Medical Commission, they are going to pass the act on the National Nursing and Midwifery Commission. If they will pass this, some authority or some specific authority will take decision for the specific changing of the policy.
Right, so that would, in fact, this will be something good for the students because it will give them a chance.
Yes. Because the quality may be maintained, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. And
right.
the
The quality of learning will be maintained. Right.
Yes. Is it?
So when you first joined Venkateshwara College of Nursing last year, how was your
Yes, sir.
what was your vision, and has it evolved over time, and how far along in implementing that vision are you?
Actually, when I have joined my first duty on the 3rd March, that was my birthday, on the 1st March 28th, but within a 20 days, due to the corona, the Janta curfew and lockdown is started. So up to the 8 to 10 month, 11 month, but we have specific vision. For the specific, we have to support the push out the practical area for the student. That one thing is that. Second thing is our university is growing up. So we have given the instruction for, we were also given the authority to the start. They have to support the practical area. And as far as our university is concerned, we have the hospital. And hospital occupancy is better than the other hospital. So I have already told them how to start for the practical area, and we have to give the educational and the curricular and extra education support to the student. It is necessary for the growth and development of the students.
Right, so I agree with that. That apart from the theoretical education, it's very necessary for
Yeah,
to
sir.
take part in co-curricular activities, because it builds up
Yes, sir.
the confidence of the confidence.
Yes, confidence of the student.
Yes, sir. So, how does the curriculum of Venkateshwara College of Nursing ensure the best practices in the industry?
Other curriculum having the nursing, and also that we have the physiotherapy and pharmacy college. And in the 2005, they have started the medical education also. So we have the MBBS code, and this year they have started the PG program for the MSMD and that all things. And they have the 63 seats for the PG program also. They have the good infrastructure. They are trying to give the maximum and good faculty personnel also. Human resources, as far as they did, they have selected and appointed for the institution. This is a good point for our. They have the specific. We can get the qualitative teachers and human resources as far as the institute will need.
That's a great thing that the students that the institute is taking part on. The HR and the students.
Yes, HR
in the system. That's a great thing. So, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students?
Specifically, we can say the parents are taking the more interest nowadays due to this mobile program and online program. They have the specific. They have their mobile, but they have to think about for that. They have the all material, all data in their hand. If they use in a positive way, they will get the future growth and development for the student. For them is the very qualitative. But if they use, then think it's second is the growth and responsibility of the institute. Institute is trying, but the student support is not getting nowadays. So we have to give them force out, and we have to something we have to maybe give the compulsory for the student. If we will give the compulsion, then the student must, because this is the age for the student. They are not, without compulsion, they're not getting anything. Okay.
That's a very great thing, sir. I would like to thank you on the behalf of students, on the behalf of College Dunia team, to be with us and give us the pearls of wisdom.
Thank you, sir.